Hi, this is the Body Series. We explore the hidden miracles inside you, blending science, spirit, and research. Today, discover why your ears are spiritual antennas. Listen closely. Your ears are extraordinary biological machines. Each ear contains 16,000 hair cells that vibrate, capturing sound waves and converting them into electrical signals your brain interprets. But here's the miracle. Your ears don't just hear sound. They sense vibration, balance, and spatial awareness. They're precision instruments built to perceive dimensions of reality most people ignore. Science reveals something stunning. Your ears connect directly to your vagus nerve, the master control of your nervous system. When you hear certain frequencies, especially natural sounds, your entire body enters a state of calm and healing. Your heart rate slows, stress hormones drop, and your immune system strengthens. This is documented neuroscience. Mystics across cultures knew this truth. They called ears spiritual antennas, receiving divine whispers, intuition, and cosmic guidance. Hindu texts describe sound as creation's foundation Om as the primordial frequency. Ancient healers used tones to awaken consciousness. Indigenous traditions honor the listening ear as sacred, believing we must hear the Earth's voice to truly belong. Here's the proof. Studies show that specific binaural beats and frequencies synchronize brainwaves, inducing states of meditation, creativity, and healing. Participants exposed to 40 Hz frequencies show improved focus. Nature sounds show measurable decreases in cortisol, the stress hormone. Your ears are tuning instruments for your entire being, physical and spiritual merged. Metaphorically, your ears are the cathedral's bells, ringing out the voice of the soul, receiving messages from the universe. They're antennae, constantly tuning you to frequencies that shape your mood, health, and spiritual alignment. What you listen to becomes who you are. Sounds flowing through your ears daily are rewiring your brain, affecting your emotions, and influencing your destiny. How can you honor your spiritual antennas today? Listen intentionally. Choose sounds that uplift, nature, sacred music, or silence itself. Protect your hearing. Loud noise damages not just ears, but nervous system balance and spiritual clarity. Practice deep listening. Truly hear others, hear nature, hear the whispers of your own intuition. Use sound as medicine. Binaural beats, singing bowls, or chanting can recalibrate your entire temple. Your ears are more than sensory organs. They are portals to healing, consciousness, and connection with the divine vibration flowing through all existence. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.